Hi, it's your girl Nelo and welcome to my channel. And today we're actually gonna do a challenge about spicy spaghetti. So I'm with my
Teddie. Hi guys.
Teddie. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You know we are happy that you are sitting here with Nelo and you want to try this beautiful spaghetti that I made this afternoon.
Can't wait to start eating.
So we can actually wait. So let's get started.
So this is the spaghetti. The counting of 3, you guys are going to start. 1, 2, 3. So, our guests, are you enjoying the food?
Like very nice, very spicy.
Feel free to undress if you. Yes.
Nelo is winning you. Don't be oppressed.
Nelo, the food is not running away. Please calm down for us. Jesus is not coming today. Hey, I think we have a winner in sight. I'll be on sight.
I'm about to give up.
Don't give up, please.
You get out from here.
Sister Teddie, you're just, you're just coming down, taking your time to. No, that is not allowed, Sister Chinelo. Please, that is not allowed. You'll be penalized.
No, this meat is hot. My mouth.
Jesus.
I'm whipping up. We already have a winner.
Nelo is okay. You can. Well, you have won. Yes.
Sister Teddie, so can you tell us why you did not finish your food?
The spag is too hot and spicy. Like, thought I would make it. But
You couldn't make it.
I swear, I gave up.
How she started at the back?
It's not meant for me.
As far she's going to finish, you see.
The challenge is not meant for me.
Bele, my dear, Bele. But at least you ate. No be so. So, here's our winner. Our winner. Our food loom.
I feel so full. Definitely give you a very great content. Bye.